Yo, what's up guys? So ito na naman tayo, magre-react vision na naman. Video na naman tayo guys. So ito ayusin lang natin yung camera natin para makita yung ating kalbuhan. So yun guys, ito yung title nga pala nitong papanoorin natin. Ang official trailer ay ang title nga pala ay Other Mommy. Yun. So wala akong idea kung anong movie na to, pero tara samahan nyo ako panoorin natin. Parang nakakatakot agad yung ano, no? Or parang yung scene niya pa lang parang ano na, no? Parang parang ano lang, normal lang. Tara, samahan niyo ako.
Hey, sweetie.
You're home.
I had a lunch break. I thought I'd come home and eat with you. Where's Dad?
He fell asleep in the office. I'll go get him.
Let him sleep. He needs his rest. Cookie dough ice cream for lunch. What kind of mother would I be? How about scrambled eggs?
We had that for breakfast.
That's right. I forgot. How about pasta? Your favorite. Do you want to know something silly?
Yes.
Sometimes I think about when you and I were one person. Do you remember that?
So I was a baby in your tummy?
Do you remember where you were before that?
No.
You were in my heart.
Parang creepy ng ano yun, no?
Can I go into your heart?
Creepy niya, guys.
You said you wouldn't leave my room.
You seemed lonely.
Tanga ng ngiti yan. Yak. Uy, October, guys.
Whoa, 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 whoa. What were you cooking?
Bella?
You need a grown-up to help keep you.
Uy! Gago.
Somebody was in the house.
You look like you.
What?
You don't have to be scared, Mommy. She's nice.
Parang ano ata yun tawag dun? Double ganger.
Sometimes she's there, sometimes she's not. Is it really you? Are you tricking me?
What? Bella. Hey. It's me. I'm Mom.
Grabe guys. Nakaka-tense agad yung ano yun, no? Puta. Mga biglaang susulpot. Yung mga nakakagulat no? So yun guys, ang title nga ulit nito ay Other Mommy. So yun. Papalabas siya ng October 9 guys. Horror nga pala to guys. Nakakatakot agad yung una niya guys. Creepy agad yung mukha, no? Tapos nagkabalay-balay yung katawan. Naging octopus. Nasa ilalim ng lamesa. Nagulat pa yung tatay. Parang double ganger nga tayo guys. So yun guys, panoorin yan. Abangan nyo yun October 9. So yun guys, salamat nga pala sa panonood. Pa-follow nga pala ng TikTok shop natin dyan o TikTok account. Just screen, lalabas dyan. Kung ano yung gusto nyong bilhin dyan sa basket ko. Marami kayong mapagpipilian diyan at marami din akong binebenta diyan. So yun guys, pa-follow din nga pala ulit ako ng Facebook page natin diyan, YouTube natin, pa-subscribe. Yung Facebook page natin, ang pangalan ay Kuya Jose. Diyan sa screen natin makikita nyo diyan. Guys, yun. Kung ano yung pinopost natin sa YouTube, ay diyan natin pinopost guys. So yun guys, panoorin nyo ulit yan. Pa-support na ako ng YouTube channel natin. So, yun guys. See you in the next vlog guys. Peace out.